Okay, here we have the Enterprise Exotic Collection, Lamborghini. And we got a Jaguar convertible, Porsche Cayenne, BMW 7 Series. Wow, look at that tan interior. Maserati, and a Porsche Cayenne. Mercedes looks like a hardtop convertible, and another BMW 7 Series. And we'll go around the corner here. We've got two Tesla Model 3s, a bunch of minivans on the other side here. And we got another Model 3 and a couple Polestars down here on the other side. Just quickly walk over. And here you can see the Model 3 and the two Polestars. And this is the regular Emerald Club aisle. Got a Mazda Miata, small compact Kia SUV, Toyota Tacoma, looks like a VW Passat, and one of these compact Nissan SUVs. Let's see what this is here. Nissan Kicks. Okay, we're back in the executive aisle. We got a Ford Edge, two of them. Toyota RAV4, Chrysler minivan, another RAV4. I checked one of these RAV4s, it only had 4K miles, so I think they're all new. Nissan Titan pickup truck, Toyota Camry, Nissan Altima. A couple more of these new RAV4s. Nissan Altima, Dodge Ram pickup, Toyota Camry, and VW Passat, Ford Edge, Volvo XC60 wagon. And we got the Premier selection over here. Got a Porsche Range Rover and probably an X7. Okay, this side we're going to start off with a Ford Edge. This one's brand new. It's only got 4 miles on it. And it's got that new, just went off here, but it's got that new full flat screen display. And let's see what that, oh, it's titanium trim too, so this will probably be really nice. Yeah, here you can see the full screen display, lighten up. No sunroof though. Back in the executive aisle, we got a Chevrolet pickup, Nissan Titan pickup, Audi A5, it's got about 25k miles on it, Jeep Compass. In the back, couple Grand Cherokees, another Volvo S60, Nissan Sentra, one of these Mitsubishi plug-in hybrids, another one, another RAV4, most of the RAV4s are brand new, Jeep Compass. Got a Volvo S60. Here's that brand new Escape. Dodge Challenger. Volvo S60, and then we got a Kia compact sedan over here. And let's take a quick look at this Durango. It's brand new. It's only got 1,000 miles on it. $1,500 miles. Looks like it's all-wheel drive, the GT model. Right beside this brand new Volvo. And over here we got the specialty. We got a 3 Mustang EcoBoost convertibles. Looks like a Ford large passenger van, Chrysler minivan, Cadillac, Chevy Traverse, another Cadillac, Explorer. Actually, I think some of these Explorers are brand new. Let me take a quick look here. Yeah, doesn't get much newer than that. 6.2 miles. No sunroof in this one though. It is a limited. Interesting. And this Cadillac beside it, XT6 400. sure if I can get into this one. It's parked pretty tight here. Let's take a quick look. Lots of new stuff coming in. Great to see. Not too bad, 3,900 miles. And it's got another row in the back. And we got Nissan Armada SL, the V8. So it's got 25,000 miles on it. And we got Jeep Wrangler. Uh, 1,000 miles on the Wrangler. Ford Explorer, Chrysler minivan, another Volvo X60, just look at the mileage. It's got 29,000 miles on it. Anything here? Chrysler minivan, actually Durango RT Hemi, VW, and actually this is the one I wanted to check out. This is the new Grand Cherokee L. It's a Laredo, and it has the extra row seats in the back. It's got 1,700 miles on it. If you can see that, you might be able to see it better now. Yeah, there's the extra row for 2 seats in the back, 2 in the middle, and then 2 at the front. And here's the L for the long wheelbase and Laredo. And we got another new one just popped into the aisle here. Actually, not quite new, but Audi Q3. We have 25,000, actually 40,000 miles on it. Looks like it might have a virtual cockpit in it. Yeah, it's got the moonroof. And Michigan plates here. And I'm just going to do a really quick, it's actually kind of squeezed in the back here, but I saw this one rolling up earlier. It's got 6,000 miles on it. It's a Mini Cooper Clubman. It's got the new LCD dash in it. And, sorry, it's kind of squeezed in here, but you can kind of get a quick peek. Lots of new stuff coming in here. I've been checking most of the cars, and a lot of them only have a couple thousand miles on them. And this is just over at Alamo, Enterprise. Some of the upgrades that are available. Okay, we're back in the National Executive Aisle here on a weekday night. Actually, it's a little bit late tonight, after 9 o'clock. There's just as I got here, there was a Dodge Charger RT Hemi. Didn't get a chance to see if it was brand new, but it was just, you can probably hear it in the background. It was just leaving. And what do we got here? Got a Nissan, a couple Toyotas, a couple SUVs. We got a Jeep Compass, Toyota Camry, Chevy Equinox, Dodge Ram pickup, Grand Cherokee, and I had a quick look at this earlier. I'm not sure, it must be out of service. It's an Audi A3, another Grand Cherokee. I said a couple of these Grand Cherokees, and we got a Kia SUV, And Premier Selection, we got a Porsche and pretty large Audi SUV down here. Okay, back at the Executive Aisle in National, we got a Kia SUV, we got a Ford Bronco. Just redoing this video here, a bunch of new stuff just came in since I went over to Hertz and came back down here. See how many miles are on this Bronco. 14,000. Ford Bronco, it's a sport trim. Got Grand Cherokee Laredo, and this actually just came in, caught my attention. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. It's got about 2,000 miles on it. This is the first time I've seen one of these in the aisle. I know Hertz has had some of them in the past. Pretty nice interior. If you're looking for a sporty SUV, this would be a great choice. I'm not sure what the MSRP is. There's no sunroof, but that's okay. Drove the Alfa Romeo sedan, and it was a lot of fun to drive. So that'd be a great choice if somebody was looking for an SUV. And we got another Cherokee. It's that Audi again, that's out of service. So we pull away into Passat on the other side. We have a Nissan Titan. I'll just quickly go through some of these others here while I'm out again. Dodge Ram, Chevy Equinox, a couple Challengers, or Chargers. Challengers. Dodge Challenger, both V6. One's got about 14,000 miles, the other's got about 20, 30,000. We've got a Camry, a couple other cars down here. And again on the other side, we've got another Cherokee. There's that Challenger. Dodge Charger. Is that RAV? I don't think that's the same. Is that RAV4? Oh, it's a Highlander. I thought it looked a little bit different. XLE Highlander. This is probably fairly new. Uh, 2,500 miles on it. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but it is longer than this RAV4 beside it. Got another Ford Edge. This Durango's only got about 2,000 on it. The Camry, and we got this Ford Explorer Limited. It's only got about 350 miles on it, so lots of new stuff coming in here to Miami. And a Camry, and we're back over. Okay, we're back at National in the Executive Aisle. Another evening, pretty late evening. And it's pretty similar, the mix of vehicles here so far. That might be another Toyota Highlander. And it's like a VW Golf. And we got a Camry, we got a Dodge Challenger. Oh, interesting, we got a Dodge Challenger RT Hemi. Let's have a look at the mileage on this here. Actually, in the overflow behind us here, we got a BMW, we got a Volvo. Pennsylvania. See how many miles are on this. 16,000 miles. It's just the overflow here. It looks like there's another, well, there's just a V6 one back here. And in the overflow, we got a Titanium Edge, BMW 228i. Go down the other side in a second here. Okay, we got a Toyota Camry, we've got another VW, Toyota. This looks like it might be another yeah, there's another Highlander. Looks fairly new. Leather interior. Oh, Highlander Limited. Let's take a peek inside here. It's got the blackout trim. There's any sunroof. Oh, there is a sunroof. Pretty nice. 1,300 miles. Dodge Charger. Camry. VW again. Mazda. Car won't start. for escape. Mitsubishi. It's one of those plug-in hybrids. We got Nissan, Chevy Trax, and a VW. Looks like a Passat. Jeep Compass, a couple more Camrys, Nissan, and down at the end there's another one of those Volvo S60s. Somebody's in. And Premier Selection's empty. This is the Emerald Isle. We've got a Camry, we got a Mazda Miata with about 20,000 on it. Pickup truck, we got a Kia. Another Kia over here. Nissan, another Chevy Trax. Nissan pickup truck. Another, looks like Corolla. Mitsubishi, and we got a Mazda. Kia, a couple others over here. Okay, let's check out this Grand Cherokee L. It's got 3 rows of seats. Let's take a look at the front here. And this one's pretty brand new, 1,700 miles on it. And for some reason they don't have the sunroofs. And then you can see the 2 seats here in the middle, and then the 2 seats in the back here. This one's not a limited, it's just a Laredo. It's just a Laredo. You can see the L here. And then there's the Laredo.